Welcome to the unboxing of TTAUTOSPEED's car gauge. Model is TS9. So this is the top of the line car gauge of TTAUTOSPEED. It's a digital meter and it connects to your OBD port. It has several icons in front to let you know kung anong features niya. So it reads or displays the driving dates, vehicle speed, RPM, water temp, fuel consumption, and voltage, and a lot more. This came from Thailand. So as you can see, meron pa siyang mga Thai writings dyan. And it says here it's quick to install. Okay, it also has the other genuine guarantee saying that this is a quality product. So let's also check the sides. And so very informative siya even with the box. It also tells me here that it has different displays. So later on, we will have that opportunity to check kung it will show us those displays kapag ka-on natin. So this is, so when you pull up the sleeve, you can see this white box and makikita natin itong, let's check what it is. So this is the harness. So meron din siyang kasamang adhesive. Let's put it there. My harness. This is the OBD2 connector. So let's put it. Then a USB plug connected to your OBD. And this is the stand or the suction cup. So some other TTAUTOSPEED variants doesn't come with this. So with TTAUTOSPEED's car gauge TS9, kasama na to sa package. Okay, so let's put everything here. And there's another box included. I'm guessing this is the actual display. So maganda ang packaging. At the same time, I think this is very sleek. So let me open this. Okay. And, okay, charan! Let's face it. So this is the actual display. Very sleek. Ang ganda ng tignan. Looks futuristic. So it will definitely match any vehicles. Plus, it has these buttons. Merong power, plus, less. And this is the menu. And so this is another adhesive na kasama na siya. It's where you place it. And this is where you put the suction mount and the OBD ports or the USB cable. Okay, so aside from the display, you will also have this menu or this instruction manual in Thai. Okay, you can see all the Thai Thai writings there. Plus, meron din siyang English. Okay, so it's easily understandable. So what we're gonna do after this is to go to the actual vehicle, our Raptor, and let's show you how it's done. Then we can also check all the features. Okay, thank you. See you later. So this is TTAUTOSPEED's TS9. It's an OBD with GPS. It also gives you the KPL or kilometer per liter function. So this is the display. Again, it looks so futuristic. The display, it's so elegant. And if I press on the buttons on top, okay, you can see all the buttons. You'll have here the power, plus, less, and this is the menu button. If I press on the menu button quickly or short press in just 1 second, it moves to another display. So it gives you the different displays for PSI or TCP or your trip. And you can also press it again to see other displays. So napakaganda na makikita nyo here. You don't have to look in your dashboard because all the information that you need to see, it's already here in your TTAUTOSPEED OBD plus GPS digital car gauge TS9. So it gives you the speed, RPM, and other information like voltage, And GPS, it gives you the directional and kilometer and the fuel consumption. Okay, so if I press on this ng long press, you can see all the settings. So let's quickly hover. I hope you can see it in the screen. The first one says return. Then you go down to settings, OBD diagnose, driving test, data stream. And if you want to go up, just press it again. If you want to check all the settings, just press the menu, and you can see all the things that you can do: language set, sound switch speed alarm, coolant alarm, RPM, and others. So this TTAUTOSPEED also has this photosensitive button, wherein if it's too bright, it automatically adjusts the display. So that's one of the best features for TS9. Okay, so I'm just showing you what are the options here. You can also go to OBD diagnose. It's where you see all the check engines, and also if you want to clear the check engine, so let's go to that option, and you can see scan and clean. So in this case, let's look at the dashboard. You don't see any check engine, so there's nothing to clean or to remove. Aside from OBD diagnose, let's also go to driving test. So driving test, let's click on that, and you can see here two options. Very important is speed up test and brake test. So what is speed up test? It shows the speed or the distance that you had, and for the brake test, it's when it brakes when the speed is over 60 km/h. Then it shows the brake distance and time. So again, if you are kind of technical and if you want to really check your vehicle on its performance, then this TS9 is best for you. So the error code sets, let's see. So aside from this, you can have different options here: coolant, temp, and any other information that will be really helpful. So just play around with your OBD. It has this easy to use instructional manual. So if you want to go back, just press on the menu button, long press it for about 2 seconds. So you can go back to the display of your car smart digital meter. The main function of this is to keep your eyes on the road and away from your checking on your dashboard regularly. Aside from that is, of course, to check your distance for TS9 because it gives you the directions. And on top of that is, of course, it clears the check engines. So I hope that this review, you find it very helpful. You can see if you want to buy this, it's available at TTAUTOSPEED.com. Just order there, and you can get it by cash on delivery options or cash on pickup options. Again, thank you so much for watching the review. And again, this is one of the best OBDs I've ever seen because it's easier to use. It doesn't give you that information overload. So this is highly suggested.